Navigating the financial world in 2026 has become a different game entirely, and for many new business owners, the biggest secret is that you no longer need a long personal credit history to get the funding you deserve. While the big banks still focus on your past mistakes and your personal scores, a new wave of financial institutions has emerged that prioritizes your business potential and your real-time revenue. In this video, we are going to unveil the full list of secret easy approval business credit cards for 2026 that require no credit history. We will explore the hidden gems that many influencers overlook and show you exactly how to get approved so you can start scaling your operations without being held back by a number. The first hidden gem on our list for 2026 is the NEF Prime card, which is often called the ultimate credit builder for businesses. What makes this card a secret weapon is that it is not a traditional credit card, but a charge card that reports to all major business credit bureaus. When you use the NEF Prime card, you are essentially creating a new trade line every single month. The approval process is incredibly lenient because it is tied to your business bank account activity rather than a hard pull of your personal credit report. For an entrepreneur starting with zero credit, this is the most efficient way to build a Paydex score from scratch. The card requires no personal guarantee, and as long as you maintain a healthy balance in your linked bank account, you can get approved almost instantly. By paying off your balance daily or weekly, you are sending a constant stream of positive data to the bureaus, which positions your business for much larger loans in the future. Next, we have the Bill Corporate Card, formerly known as DeVit, which has become a powerhouse in the startup world for 2026. This card is secret because many people still think it is just for large enterprises, but their small business program is one of the easiest to join. The approval for the Bill card is primarily based on your business revenue and your bank history. If you can show that your business is making money or has a decent cash reserve, you can secure a line of credit without any personal credit check. The Bill platform also gives you the ability to create unlimited virtual cards for different categories of spending, which keeps your finances organized and secure. In 2026, this level of control is essential for managing digital subscriptions and marketing costs. Because it is a revenue-based card, your limit can grow rapidly as your sales increase, making it a perfect partner for a fast-growing company. Another highly effective but often ignored option is the OpenSky Secured Visa Business Credit Card. While secured cards are often seen as a last resort, the OpenSky card is unique because it requires absolutely no credit check during the application process. This means that even if you have a zero credit score or a history of financial challenges, you are guaranteed a seat at the table as long as you can provide a security deposit. In 2026, this card remains a staple for founders who want a predictable path to credit building. Your security deposit becomes your credit limit, which protects the lender and ensures you cannot get into debt you cannot handle. More importantly, OpenSky reports to the major credit bureaus every single month. For someone who is completely new to the world of business finance, this is the safest way to establish a professional identity and prove to the financial world that your company is a responsible borrower. Moving into the more specialized fintech space, we must discuss the Expensify card, which has reinvented approval process for 2026. Unlike traditional banks that want to see years of tax returns, Expensify looks at your actual financial health within their own ecosystem. By connecting your business bank account to their platform, they can verify your cash flow and issue a card with a limit based on your real-time balance. There is no personal credit check and no hard inquiry on your report. This card is particularly useful for service-based businesses and consultants who have high cash flow but might not have the traditional assets that banks look for. The rewards program is also top-tier, offering significant cash back on essential business categories like travel and software subscriptions. It is the seamless integration of accounting and credit that saves you hours of manual work every month. We also need to mention the Moss Corporate Card, which has been gaining significant traction in the international and tech sectors throughout 2026. Moss offers a smart corporate card solution that is designed to scale with your business needs without the traditional hurdles of credit history. They focus on transparency and automation, and their approval process is built around your company financial data. For businesses that operate across borders or have complex spending needs, Moss provides a level of flexibility that is hard to find elsewhere. You can set specific budgets for different projects or teams, and the platform handles the reconciliation automatically. Because they do not rely on traditional credit scores, Moss is able to approve businesses that other lenders might overlook simply because they are too new or too innovative for standard models. Another secret that many entrepreneurs miss is the credit potential within their own business bank accounts, like those offered by Mercury or Bluevin. In 2026, these platforms are no longer just places to store your money, they have become full-scale financial hubs. For example, if you use Mercury for your business banking, you can apply for their integrated credit lines, which are approved based on the money you already have in your accounts. These are often referred to as treasury or revenue-based credit lines, and they are some of the easiest to obtain because the bank already has a clear picture of your financial health. There is no need to submit a separate application with a mountain of paper. It is a natural extension of your banking relationship, and it allows you to access capital exactly when you need it, without the stress of a traditional credit application. For those looking for high rewards without the credit check, the /Platinum card is a standout choice in 2026. This card is specifically designed for high-growth e-commerce and digital marketing businesses. The approval is online-only, which means you do not have to provide a social security number for a personal credit check. / looks at your processing volume and your bank account history to determine your eligibility. This is a massive advantage for international founders or those who value their personal privacy. The card offers an industry-leading 2% cash back on every purchase, which can add up to thousands of dollars in savings for a business with significant overhead. It also supports native crypto transfers and stablecoin integrations, making it a forward-thinking choice for the modern economy. To ensure you get approved for these secret cards in 2026, you should follow a specific strategy before you even hit the apply button. First, ensure that your business is a legal entity such as an LLC or a corporation, and that you have a dedicated employer identification number.